Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
Noise pollution matter came up before the High Court today, in which the government pointed out the action which it has taken. As far as 3 establishments are concerned, action has been taken by the government. In respect of 2 establishments, there was a violation or breach of the decibel which was noted by the government, based on which a show cause notice has been issued to 2 establishments by the government. As far as 3rd establishment is concerned, that was running the establishment and music without any permission from the competent authority. As far as that establishment is concerned, the equipments, that is the music instruments of this particular establishment, have been attached by the police. FIR has been lodged and they have been prevented from running or playing any music. As far as other 2 establishments against whom show cause notices are being issued, they have been given 2 days time to file a reply. Upon receipt of the reply, action will be taken against such these 2 establishments. This is what has happened. The matter has been kept by the High Court now on Friday. And there is a latest development that has taken place. The amicus curiae has placed on record certain newspaper items in respect of music violations or noise pollution violation which occurred during Narkasur festival. The allegation is based on one newspaper cutting, that is Tarun Bharat. The amicus curiae has placed that report and copy has been served on us, where he says that music was played throughout the night and it was not stopped at 10 o'clock. And there is a basic complaint about something that happened in Bicholim Taluka. We will take instructions from the concerned officer. So this is what has happened as of today. The matter will be again heard by the High Court on coming Friday.